Hi, I'm Max Mishakov, and today's video is about tension. How to relieve tension when singing. There are three most popular sources of tension: your tongue, your jaw, the muscles of the jaw, and the larynx. And sometimes there are other muscles that are close to the tongue, to the root of your tongue. Sometimes they cause the tension. But all of those are triggered by the lack of breath support. So the first reason that may cause the tension is the lack of breath support. The lack of breath support may cause the tension in your tongue, in your jaw, in the larynx, anywhere. Because we have to compensate the lack of energy coming from our breath support to create the same amount of loudness. So the first reason might be the lack of breath support. The second thing, sometimes the tension is in the tongue itself. It's very popular. So I suggest here that you sing like an idiot. Just sing like that. Feel this thing. You may remember the meme. Sometimes I remember this guy. It helps me a lot. And your tongue has to be flushed to the base of your jaw, to the bottom. This gives us more space for the sound. And this leads us to the third reason that might be the reason of your tension is the lack of space in your throat. So there is, and we have to have. So we need to have enough space in our throat. We need to free this space from the root of our tongue and from the throat itself. Imagine that the doctor looks into your throat and you show it to the doctor. So open your throat. So I gave you 3 tips for relieving the tension: breath support, relaxing your tongue, and opening your throat. And there are 3 sources: your tongue, your larynx, and the jaw. And also, if none of this helps you, you may also try just lowering your larynx and sing like ha, ha. Sometimes the tension is just your raised larynx. Thank you for watching. Write your questions.